Hi folks, welcome back. Now as you can see, we've got some slats on top of the bed. I called in one evening last week on my way back from my job and got some profile and made up the bed, got that sorted, so that's it. Now all gas rammed up, holds up on its own now, so just have a clean out underneath and then we can get the mattress in. But yeah, really pleased with it. So it does exactly what I wanted it to do. So I've not tried it with the mattress yet. That's the next. But we'll see. Just get a couple of screws to put in this, just to stop it rattling and whatever. Just get a couple of little self tappers and bang them in it, and that should be it finished. So yeah, really pleased with it. Doesn't give you loads of access, but it gives you enough to get over the top and in, and just to get things from the back, from this end of the bed, so that you're not crawling about underneath. And that's my Truma combi, which a friend of mine's picked up for me while I was at work the other week, and we'll be getting that fitted after the weekend at some point. But there you go. Next day, I've got the Lugan leg on, I've got the trim on the seats, the mattress, the all-important mattress on. I've got the kitchen roll holder back up, the little strip light. We've got a cab divider. It's a thermal cotton cab divider, just to keep the heat from the back transferring into the cab. We've got the little door fitted to the toilet and the lock on it. We've had an issue with the bathroom door lock. I don't know what's up with that, so I'm trying to fix that and see if I can get that sorted for the weekend. And I've carpeted behind the sink unit and carpeted the side wall. Got the handles back on. So yeah, it's looking like it's all go for Coniston at the weekend. So yeah, really pleased. It's really starting to come together. So quick clean up, and away we went Friday morning. Here we are, arrived and pitched up at Coniston. This is disjointed club camp out. I know I'm in a Mercedes now, but I'm still part of the crew. I was Simon and Tracy's van there, and Sarah and Paul's beside me. Flags are flying. It's a bit breezy, but who cares? We'll enjoy the weekend anyway. But there we go. Yeah, all set up. The missus is still in, pimping the van, as you can see. Bedding's on the bed, all fluffed up. Everything's all back together. Tables lying in there. That's the cab. There's Simba all ready for the weekend. She's given us a nice wee cushion of our trip back from Austria. So there you go, Reedy. What does they say? Infamy. They've all got infamy. Well, fast forward to Sunday morning. We had a nightmare last night. We had a bit of a storm, and I mean, it rained like I've never seen rain before, and we got a shitload of it. So it gathered up in the awning. I didn't have the awning set up properly. As I say, we just threw it up, and it just pulled down and it ripped the canopy. Not to worry, as I say, it was getting replaced anyway. But as you can see, we have a lakeside property. Yeah. So no, it was a horrible night. But anyway, we're here. We're enjoying ourselves. Still didn't stop us. We still had a good time round the fire. And here we are, Monday, heading back home. So we're on the last run in. Here we go, big buses cruising away there, just short of 90 kilometres an hour, really motoring. And yeah, just it's noisy, but it never misses a beat. It just keeps on rolling. There it is, there the first sign for Blackpool. Junction 32 sign on the M6. And there's the run into Blackpool. There's the tower right in front of you there. So yeah, it's been another uneventful, or eventful, call it what you want. But it was fantastic weekend. Big shout out to the disjointed crew for sorting out the weekend. It was absolutely fantastic. Loved every minute of it. And here we are. We're home. We're on the roof. Jet wash set up because we need to get this carpet cleaned and the kayak cleaned because they were absolutely hanging. So stick you on fast forward. Just blast it through, just let you see what's involved. It's not just all jollies in camp. You've got to come back and do all this nonsense. So yeah, I'm quite lucky in the respect that I've got the roof terrace that I can lay these things out on and jet wash up and then hang up to dry. So just flipped it over, get all the muck off it, and then I'm just going to peg it across from one end of the balcony to the other and just let it drip dry. The sun's graced us with its company now. Typical. We're back from more jollies and the sun comes out. Anyway, just left it there to dry, and I've just went and got the kayak to do the exact same with the kayak. So anyway people, I hope you liked the wee video, and if you did, give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch up with you next weekend with more updates on Arnie. Take care out there folks. Ta-ra for now.